This one celebrity made it popular. Young Japanese women undergo a dental procedure, make their teeth crooked, like when a kid's teeth aren't fully grown in yet. So I've messaged my Japanese friend. I want to get a Japanese person's perspective. There's like always risks to these kinds of procedures. Hello guys, and welcome to the Curious About Japan series, where I will be Googling, finally, all the things about Japan I've been curious about, but just been a little bit too lazy to actually research. I'll be posting every week, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss those. Alright, let's get started. Today I'm going to be talking about a strange trend which was a thing within the last decade, where young Japanese women would often undergo a dental procedure to intentionally make their teeth crooked. So yeah, as someone who went through years of braces, can't relate. So let's look into this, let's Google it, let's go. So this specific look, which people used to try and get, is known as YAEBA, which means double tooth. I'm on a BBC article. For a few years now, there has been a craze among young women in Japan for snaggle teeth that look a bit like vampire fangs. It began in 2011 when many teenagers wanted to look like the actress and singer Tomomi Itano. Alrighty. So not only was she the lead singer of band AKB48, she also had YAEBA, or double tooth. At the dentist, YAEBA procedure places a ceramic protruding false tooth over the patient's upper canine tooth. Some are fixed while others are removable. Okay, and they cost, it looks like, between £200 and £500. So basically, I guess just this one celebrity made it popular, and then people actually started doing it. Some say it originated from Japanese traditional aesthetic sense of wabi, which means that they find beauty in imperfect shapes. But the celebrity Tomomi Itano has actually had surgery since this trend to fix her tooth and make it straight. So wonder what all these people think who got that procedure done. Some say that YAEBA makes a woman look cute, almost childlike, like when a kid's teeth aren't fully grown in yet. Alright. Lots of cultures value signs of youthfulness. YAEBA is just looking at youth in an unusual way. Yeah, I guess. See, I feel like my thing with all of these kinds of procedures, whether it's on your teeth or any kind of plastic surgery, really, I'm not going to judge people if it makes them feel better, then sure. But I just feel like a lot of people, when it's like a trend, especially if it's trying to copy someone, I don't think that's a good idea, because, you know, trends move on and then you're stuck the way you are. You should be doing stuff like that because it makes you feel good, not because you want to look like someone else that you think is good. Does that make sense? So yeah, with celebrities like Tomomi Itano correcting their snaggletooth looks, the YAEBA boom is over, but dental clinic manager Kazuyoshi Takagi says that new patients wanting YAEBA caps come in once or twice a month. Toothologydental.com, which talks about the procedure and like the risks and stuff, because yeah, there's like always risks to these kinds of procedures. So let's see, because YAEBA encourages overcrowding, it increases your risk of developing bacteria, overgrowth in hard to clean spaces. Depending on the type of adhesive used, the temporary option can damage your enamel. That's not fun. Overcrowding and misaligned teeth can throw off the natural movement of your bite and jaw, causing discomfort and or dysfunction. Fun times for everyone. Okay, so I've messaged my Japanese friend because I was thinking about it, and I was like, all of these articles I'm reading, like the BBC and stuff, they're all from foreign countries who've looked into it, and so I want to get a Japanese person's perspective. And from the sounds of things, it was not so much super popular as it was like kind of a niche trend. So like a specific group of people kind of went crazy about it at the time, but widespread in Japan, it was not like an overall popular thing among everyone, it seems. So that answers that, at least. It was a bit of confusion with her messaging, but I got to the point where I was like, okay, so Japanese people do also prefer generally straight teeth, it seems. Curiosity satisfied. The result of this one I feel like was maybe a bit less dramatic and exciting as some of the other videos I've done so far, but nonetheless, my goal was reached of Googling something which I've briefly thought about once. What more can you ask for? Anyway, so I don't know what I'm going to do next week. This is the last one of these videos that I've filmed all at once. So I'll see what the response was of this one and the previous ones, and if I continue, then you can look forward to something. I don't know what yet. We love a bit of mystery. Okay, so until then, bye bye.